In the heart of Southeast Asia lies Indonesia, a nation of unparalleled diversity and beauty. Let's explore its vast and fascinating islands. Sumatra. Sumatra, a biodiversity hotspot, shelters rare species such as the Sumatran tiger and orangutan. It's also a major player in the palm oil industry. Java. With its historical significance, Java stands as the populous heartbeat of Indonesia, adorned with ancient temples like Borobudur and Prambanan, reflecting the island's rich cultural heritage. Kalimantan. Kalimantan boasts immense rainforests and unique wildlife like the Bornean orangutan. It's also rich in coal and oil, supporting Indonesia's economy. Sulawesi. Sulawesi, a land of wonders, harbors unique creatures like tarsiers and babirusas. Its caves whisper ancient tales through prehistoric art. Papua. Papua is a treasure trove of cultures, home to over 300 ethnic groups. Its underwater realm mesmerizes with unparalleled marine biodiversity. Indonesia's islands are not just land masses. They are living stories, weaving a tapestry of nature, culture, and history. Join us as we unveil the secrets of Indonesia, where each island tells a tale of its own.